Hello friend and sir and ma'am. My name is Vinay Pravarkode. I am a SAS Institute of Management Study, second year student of MBA. Today we are presenting a policy for women and child labor. First we understand the women labor policy. The, the women labor policy is the protecting labor legislation for women. Under the three act, that Factory Act 1948, and second is the Mine Act 1952, and Plantation Labor Act 1951. If I understand what is the Factory Act 1948, what provision for welfare of the woman, the prohibition of employment women during the night hours, prohibition of working hazardous occupation, prohibition employment women, the pressing the where the cotton opinion is at work, fixation of the daily hours work at night, fixation of maximum permissible load, the provisions of the washing and bathing facility, and provision of the separated latins and urinals, provision for restroom and canteen, the provision of maternity benefit also give that. And next is the Mine Act 1952, the provision for welfare of the woman. What will give that? The no woman which shall be not withstanding the anything contained on the other law be employed the in and part of the which below the ground, and if any mining ground expected between the hours 6 am to 7 pm. The every woman employed at the mine above the ground shall be allowed interval of not less than 11 hours between. This is the termination the employment and any one day and commencement the next period of employment. The next is the Plantation Labor Act 1951. The provision of the welfare woman, the prohibition of the employment of any plantation between 7 pm to 6 am. The exporting of the who have the employment in plantation, midwives and nurses. Sickness of minority benefit, that is the allowances to the case of the confirmation expect of the confirmation 2 additional break daily for the woman. The work is delivered for nursing a child till the child is 15 month old. This is a predatory labor legislation. And next legislation, social security of legislation of women. The two act come in here, the Employment State Insurance Act 1948 and second is the Maternity Benefit Act 1961. First we understand the Employment State Insurance Act 1948. It's one of the most important social legislation in India. It has in enacted to provide for version benefit and different contingencies. The under act ensures women work get a sickness benefit, disability benefit, medical benefit, funeral expenses will nursing men worker. However, the additional benefit ensures women the working get a maternity benefit in case of the certain categories rising the confirmative miscarriages, sickness, arising agency, the confirmation position, a child miscarriaging and death. This is the Employment State Insurance Act 1948. Next is maternity benefit. Keep a view that provide a maternity benefit workers the specially equivalent leave that during the period of conversation. The LOS maternity benefit 1946 was passed. What is passed? The what was provision for the welfare of the woman. The penalty between 12 weeks and maximum period so given, and various type of cash benefit and various type of the non-cash benefit privileges. The leave wages, miscarriages and third operations, leave wages and illness arising pregnancy, leave wages and case of illness arising pregnancy, provision of employment during the certain period. This is a provision of the for welfare of the woman maternity benefit. Next is the legislation of wages. Legislation concerning wages of bonus of women. The first is Payment Wages Act 1936, the second Minimum Wages Act 1948, and Payment of Bonus Act 1965. First is Payment Wages Act 36. What given the provision of welfare of the woman? The regular pay shall be before the 7th day and month where the number of the worker less than 1010. Otherwise, wages of period shall be not extended in month The made a payment, the payment of the current notes coins, the check payment in credit, crediting the bank account allowed the consent writing by the employee. Next is the Minimum Wages Act 1948. What give a provision and welfare of the woman, the hour of the working overtime and current minimum wages. The hour of working overtime, the act is regulated is working hours and for the overtime the payment. The working are longer hours on holiday. It's working has been worked lesser hour not be due to the own fault. Is coming up to this also minimum wages has not be paid because of the employer is failed the assign the work. The courage minimum wages. The welfare effective after 2011 national floor level minimum wages will be increasing rupees 144 from 125. Several states of the has been fixes higher minimum wages but those prescribed by central government for the higher skilled, unskilled, semi-skilled and engaged the schedule of employment. Next is Payment Bonus Act 1965. The bonus level good work share the profit unit where the employee work often the dispute of the between employees about the bonus to paid. It was through the legislation solved the problem. Bonus Act passed enforcement that process bonus become almost different wages the prevention of payment minimum 8.33% and maximum 20% bonus have not be wages with reduced in disputed. Next is child labor the legislation policy for given and there are prevention and rescue of the reputation. That has the government enacted Child Labor Act 1986 declared the what with provision of the given to uh, for child labor. The child labor is the Prohibition of Regulation Act 1986. Prevention employment is child below the age 14 year and occupying in the 65 processes. And over the enforcement provision with the act it lies the statement as a privilege section to act. The union of the month matter enforcement from time. The specific drive on the enforcement average generation and also be launched the time to time and rescue any reparation and during the inspection the rate of the conductor is under the CL, CLPA. The child labor have the identify the rescue tribulation and measures. And the fourth mention of the way the reparation in case of the minority child labor, the provision of the bridge education unlimited project of the mentoring them into the system education. The bridge and the pre-vacation of the training of provider rescue of the child. Project-based action plan of child labor. The project-based action is the welfare of the working. The ways regarding of the education relation of government and implementation national child labor project NCP 26 child labor. The enigmatic describe 20 states. The principle of the 370 special school and operation of the enforcement through 3.2 lakh children. The under the scheme is about the 8.95 lakhs. The children has been menstrual formal system in perception. This act. The government has a detailed the National Child Labor Project NCB scheme in 1988. The two rehabilitation working child, the 12 child labor is in a intimating district of the country. The objective of the scheme is a major certain sector. The scheme, the rehabilitation of the child labor. The scheme the seek the adopt the sequential approach with the focus in rehabilitation of children working the hazardous occupation on processes the first instance and under the scheme several child labor engaged in hazardous occupation and procedure has been conducted. The identified children are then withdrawn from the base of the occupation and the process and it put the special school. The order is enabled to them in maintaining formal school system. The projects uh, so scenario at the district level, the fully funded of the operation of special school and rehabilitation centers and rehabilitation of the child labor. Thank you.